looking for the best portable toolbox? In this video, we will break down the top 6 portable toolboxes on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, KETER Toolbox. As this toolbox plumber, electrician, or regular homeowner, it is important to have all your tools within reach at all times. These hand-carry toolboxes will not always be short of their storage options. The size of this toolbox is not very easy to rate, and it will not sag when you load heavy equipment. Also, this toolbox features a spacious main compartment for your cordless drill, sander, or even a biscuit joiner. This toolbox features 2 smaller compartments on the lid. One compartment features a single movable divider inside, while the other features smaller customizable boxes inside. These boxes are perfect for your bolts, screws, nails, and other fasteners. The cover is transparent so you can easily see what's inside the boxes. In addition, the lids come with ball-bearing slides for easy access to the main compartment. It features a locking mechanism, but you can enhance security by using a padlock. At number 2. DEWALT DWST08203 Toolbox. These toolboxes do not require additional space and will cover the original set of your tools. This style of toolbox gives you a single bogey to work on. This toolbox provides extra protection and takes you to the next level. If you want something that keeps your tools safe without having to worry about what's going on outside, this is the toolbox for you. Also, the exterior is made of a durable, 4mm thick foam wall. A water seal is sandwiched in between the lid and box to keep out moisture. The box is compatible with this tough system metal carrier. Just latch it onto the carrier and secure it using the central locking mechanism. The tough system allows you to expand your storage space with modular components to fit your exact needs. At number 3. PLANO Molding 452006 Toolbox. Though not huge or industrial strength, this nice-sized toolbox holds a lot of stuff. It's perfect for hammers, wrenches, and screwdrivers that you have to have around to maintain your home. The little organizer box for nuts, bolts, nails, etc. is the tipping point for purchasing this particular box. The handle and latch seem strong and sturdy. The lift-out tray is very handy for those most often used items. The walls and lid are thick and sturdy. You have to really press to bend them. The latch and handle seem very robust, too. However, there is potential for the opaque top compartment to dislodge and completely come off of the base of the toolbox since it doesn't really lock into place. At number 4. MILWAUKEE Electric Rolling Toolbox. This toolbox is a sturdy and high-quality product. The overall build of this rolling toolbox is solid and tough while still being easy to maneuver. This capability can be attributed to the toolbox's all-terrain wheels. There is an industrial-grade and heavy-duty extension handle built into this toolbox as it also prevents difficulties carrying the item. Another thing that makes me amazed about this toolbox is that it supports single-handed operation as it slides and locks grip with ease. This capability also promotes a hassle-free experience when you attach and remove certain components. Moreover, it is built to be even sturdier with the aid of its locking points reinforced by metal material and its strengthened corners. It also supports an increase in its carrying capacity by allowing you to add another box on top of its 3 built-in boxes. At number 5. STALWART 754650 Rolling Toolbox. A high-quality toolbox organizer. This product is sturdy, heavy-duty and has 3 toolboxes in one. With an adjustable carrying handle in the back and glide wheels, you will be able to take this toolkit along with you wherever you go, comfortably. Also, it is made of sturdy steel construction with a reinforced injection molded polymer to keep your power and hand tools safe and secure during travel and moving around rough construction sites. You can now work on your DIY and home improvement projects safely and efficiently, as all your important hardware tools will be neatly organized, easily accessible, and portable. This product is designed to hold numerous tools, helping you get rid of the clutter that is around the house. Overall, it is safe to be carried anywhere. You can ensure that your tools are safe and away from damage, as this toolbox is designed to be tough and durable. At number 6. GEARWRENCH Steel Toolbox. If you don't need wheels, a sturdy toolbox with a handle is just as great for lugging around your daily set of tools. Those in the market will appreciate this steel model because of its locking system and corrosion and rust-resistant frame. It features 3 drawers, and though it's smaller in size, it's perfect for toting around from job to job. This box is perfect for someone who needs a small toolbox to easily organize a small set of tools. The quality of the box is good. The drawers slide smoothly and there is a detent to hold them in while the top is open.